Hello and welcome everyone to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can remove a new event from Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. So in this whole video tutorial, we will discuss the steps that we can follow to remove the new element from the Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. Now before we jump to the very first topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel specifically for the Salesforce tutorial. So if you want to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get regular updates from it. Now let's understand how we can remove the new element from the Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. The Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning is also known as the Activity Timeline, and the role of this tab is to show activities related to various objects. Now these objects includes accounts, contacts, case, policies, insurance, etc. Let me show you. So first of all, what we will do, we will move to the home setup. So I will click on this gear icon, then I will click on this setup. This will land me on this Lightning Experience home setup page. From here, I will click on this app launcher. Under this, click on view all, and these are the set of objects that we are going to use. What I was doing, I was using the accounts object. Now whenever I try to view any of the records, for example, if I'm viewing this University of Arizona record from the accounts, here you can see one activity tab, and under the activity tab there are various buttons. So there is new event, log a call, new task, and email is also there. Now based upon the object that we are using, we might need some customization in this activity tab. For example, I do not want this new event tab under this activity section. I want to remove this. So in this video we will understand the steps that we can follow to remove this new event button. So for this, what I will do, again I will move to the home setup page. From this I will click on this object manager, and from this list I will click on account. Now this will open an object manager page for the account object. Now from the left menu I will click on this page layout, and from this page layout list of options I need to select this account layout option. I will click on it. So once I click on this, it will open an account layout page for the account object. Now these are the set of options that are there. So what I will need to do, I need to click on this mobile and lightning actions, and here you can see under this section Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions, there is the button new event. So what I need to do to remove this new event button, I need to drag this new event option from below to this section on mobile and lightning action. So I will drag and drop this option here. Now I will click on the save option. Now once this process has been completed, we can open any of the record for the account object. So I will again move to the app layout, click on view all. From the list of objects I will click on accounts. So this is the list for the recently used account, and from this I will open any of the accounts. For example, I will open this University of Arizona record, and now this time when we see the activity tab, the new event button is removed from this option. So there is log a call, new task, email, but new event button is been removed. So in this way you can remove any of the buttons that are there under the activity tab. And with this also we have come to the end of this tutorial session, and with this we have also come to the end of this tutorial. If you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials on Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.